Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. I've just done a room clean on a rather large room as part of a supported living accommodation. It hadn't been cleaned in donkey's years. Every piece of the floor had fag butts over it and drug paraphernalia, mould on absolutely every wall. The windowsill was absolutely green and yellow with like nicotine stains. Every piece of skirting was covered in mould with thick fluff and dust everywhere. Cobwebs hanging on the ceilings like it was a Halloween kind of theme scare horror store. But this wall here, there was a single bed along there, and the skirting along that wall was absolutely black with mould and food and crisp packets everywhere. I've completely vacuumed all of the ceilings, removed all of the Halloween paraphernalia, all of the Halloween kind of like cobwebs, and then with a very, very strong bleach solution, I've then scrubbed all of the walls clean, rinsed those down, and then gone over them with the sugar soap solution so the painters and decorators can come in after the room's aired. And I'm going to give it an ozone generator treatment just to neutralise the air in here, because it still smells like an ashtray and a sweaty pair of socks which someone's used to wipe their groin with. But yeah, this skirting here is absolutely caked, and now it's back to clean, and that can be either redecorated or the room can be put back in use. But a lovely size aspect room, lovely floor in there, probably be carpeted over for noise reduction. And I've got to come back tomorrow and clean all the top of the window frames and the curtain track and bleach all those clean. And then come back and clean the windows that have been whited out for now with a paint solution, just to give the room a bit of privacy. Just some advice for anyone though, if you're wanting to do room cleans like this, end of tenancy cleans, end of life cleans, you've got to be very, very mindful of things like mould and bacteria, how long the room has been occupied for, what kind of mould is it? Is it a surface mould? Is it something that's got toxins and pathogens in there that can make you very unwell? And I suggest always wear a face mask or a respirator when working with mould. And even chemicals like sodium hypochlorite, any chlorine-based solutions, it will attack your lungs. It's not good for you. But that is a clean room. If you like the kind of video, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published. Give the video a like, give it a share, leave a comment. Thank you for watching AW Services.